Hey guys, I'm back with another video because I could not stop obsessing about the Louis Vuitton bum bag, and I did order it, but I ordered the black Monogram Empreinte print instead because I was really looking for a casual bag that would be super versatile during this time when we're not really commuting anywhere, so you're just kind of wearing it out and about. So this is it. There's lots of videos out there about the characteristics of the bag and the sizing and things like that. I just wanted to show you up close what the material looks like and how nice it looks with the detailing. And I'm also going to show you some outfits that I think would go really well with it. The leather feels really high quality and pretty durable. The zipper is very buttery. I love this bag. This one was made in Spain. I love the inside microfiber, the fact that it's kind of the same orangey color as the packaging. Super pretty. This one actually didn't come with a date code because they're now making them with microchips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.